Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday. Gold hitting the highs at 27.25, while silver is seen a little struggle at 31. What to expect today from the metals? Can we expect a further rise? Can we expect gold to break the critical resistance at 27.25, or there is a possibility of a reversal here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and the next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the on the hourly chart, see too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period. It has come down to take the support here. Now it is very critical for gold to trade below 2710, 2708 levels, below which 2700 the critical milestone will appear, and this zone at 2702, 2700 is going to be the next critical support, breaking below which is where slight bearishness may prevail, and then gold might try to erase the gains here. But right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish here. You can see this, every drop is followed with a rise here, and this time again it is taken the support. So now if you see it is staying above 2720, you can buy again, but then this zone completely between 2720 and 2725 is very critical for gold to break past by. Any break beyond this is a good sign for further bullishness here. Divergence in the moving averages is also a very good sign. Stochastic rising, but look at the MACD on the early charts. After the crossover, it is under retracement. After a good rise, it is now looking downwards. And see what has happened here can get replicated, which means it can follow with a little sum. Let's watch out. RSI has dropped as well, coming to 2. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Every rise is followed with a drop towards 20 period, and this time it has gone close to it, now bouncing back. Now only thing is where the current candle closes, because see right now it is trying to trade with a little bearish bias, and if it closes above 2720, we can say that a reversal is on cards and you can look forward to a greater rise. Right now I can see a bit of hesitation here. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. I think 2712, 2710 should be a very good support here for the day. The stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This can lead to slight retracement. As you look at the charts here, see every rise is offset with a wave, so offset with a down move. So this could be one of the possibilities that it can initiate the down move from here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, and see that is why the current closing of the current candle is going to be very important, because see if it turns bullish from here, that will be the mark of a reversal. Look at the 3-hour charts here. Similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See, trying to trade in this channel here. That bottom of the channel is now towards 2680, and in between this there are greater hurdles for gold to break past by. So now it is trying to consolidate a bit. I will wait for 2710, 2712 zone to be taken, and then 2700, 2702 zone to be taken. If these two levels are taken, then only I will turn bearish in gold. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, trying to crossover, and this crossover can lead to retracement. Yes, it is delivering waves, and this is possible that this can deliver the red cycle of this wave here. So let's watch out. RSI is also just come out of the overbought zone, coming to 4 hour. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts here. A swing candle here after this retracement. Possibility of this continuing on the downside axis is strong, which means there is a possibility that it can keep moving towards 2710. Also notice what we had seen on the hourly charts and what we had seen on the 4-hour charts. This could initiate the reversal cycle here. Every rise is offset with a drop here, and this is possible that it can continue with this cycle here as well. And 2680 is the support it needs to break in order to break this stochastic coming out of overbought. MACD is still bullish and it is still having room for further rise, but for the last couple of times I have seen prices reversing from the same zone. RSI overbought here, coming to daily. Now this is important to note here on the daily chart. See, look at the last 3 times when gold has reversed from this zone around 2725, and since then what has happened? After the rise, a sharp slump has appeared, then a retracement towards this zone, then a sharp slump has appeared. Now it has retraced towards the same zone, and see, notice the time it takes to rise and the slump here. So this time it has taken too much of time. If it slumps from here, it is going to be a greater down move. And remember, now this is very critical for gold to break beyond 2725, 2750 zone. This is the zone where we have strong hurdles for gold, because once it breaks beyond 2750, it is not going to come back unless and until it achieves 2800 levels this time. So I will be definitely cautious at around this zone between 2725 to 2750. This is going to be the greater hurdle for gold. Though if you look at the moving averages, the crossover here is very much supportive of further rise. And look at the move here, it is also delivering higher lows and higher highs. But remember, every channel is meant to be broken, and this is coming from the highs, so possibility of a reversal exists here. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. So looking, I will recommend you to sell here at 2712, 10 zone. And once you sell at 2712, 2710 zone, you can expect it to move towards 2704, then 2700, 2698. And remember, these are all very good support levels around 2700 levels. So these are, that is why I am placing them very very nearby. 2702 is also one of the supports, 2698 is also one of the supports. Below 2698 is where you can see slight bearishness towards 2694, 92 the first targets, 2685 the second, and below 2685, 2680, 78. Any drop below 2680 and 78 is a clear sign of more bearishness prevailing today, where the prices are gonna take a stronger dip below 2668-70 zone, below which it is under correction, and you can just stay short from there. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. See what we had seen in silver. It has shied away from breaking past 31 and it has now retraced towards the critical support here. Now 20 period moving average is a very good support. 3060 is another very good support here. So once it breaks below this zone at 3060, 3040, then only we should be treating this as bearish. It is trading above this red line. It means it has breached the trend. And if you connect the highs and the lows here, you can see this is an expanding triangle here. Highs at 3120, lows at 3040. So this complete 80 cents is going to be critical, and the median right now is at 3080, at which it is placed right now. So this is definitely a good support zone. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD has crossed over, trading with retracement looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. On the 2-hour, similar observation, very very important for silver to trade below 3060 and 3040 levels. Only and only if 3060, 3040 zone is taken, you can treat this as bearish. Now again, I have mentioned one thing, divide this into two. What preceded this, what could follow this? It is possible that silver might try to move towards the bottom of the channel, which is right now positioned at around $30. But right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has just crossed over, trading with little divergence, little bearishness. What has happened last time when it crossed over? We have seen a good slump. It can follow here as well. The RSI has dropped, coming out of the overbought zone. Look at the 3-hour. On the 3-hour chart, see the highs here are definitely a good resistance. The support levels, look at the last three, we can see a good support coming in. Also, if you connect the dots, higher lows and higher highs here. So now even if you see the higher price below 3070, you can take a selling entry, but then 3060, 3050, 3040. Till 3040, just put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Only below 3040 is where you can say slight bearishness should prevail, and then I will look forward to 3020 and $30 levels as the next targets. Else, right now the stance is not so bearish here. It can still bounce back and recover. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in retracement zone, trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour, similar observations. See one, two red candles, flat bottom, let it break below this, and this could lead to another round of bearish wave, which can take the prices towards 3040, the 20 period moving average here. And it is possible that it can take the support from here and bounce back, but I will definitely watch out how it behaves at around 20 period moving average. Moving averages are trading with a crossover and are trading bullish here. And notice this, it is the stance here and here has changed. It is trading in this aggressively bullish channel here. Now once it stays above 31, certainly you can say 3120 and 3150 levels are going to be the next targets. Stochastic looking down, MACD has hit the highs, trying to converge here. Let's wait for a crossover. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see first of all, preceding candle a swing candle with a moderately green body. It appears that once it breaks out beyond 31 and 3120 stay bullish, we are looking forward to 3150 as the next targets here, and it is possible that it can keep moving beyond 3150 and deliver a stronger candle here. See, right now I can see that silver is trading in this channel. Thus 3120 today is going to be one critical level, and beyond this, this is a breakout which is gonna bring a strong bullish momentum on the downside till 3040. Do not treat this as bearish. Below 3040 is we can see reversal here. Below 3040 is we can see prices moving towards $30 levels. Yes, the stochastic is rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy when you see the lower prices above 3090. You can initiate a buying position, expect it to move towards 3120, 25 levels, and beyond that 3150 levels are very much and easily achievable here. Yes, staying above 31, we are looking forward to good rise, and then specifically above 32, 3120, 3125, you can just stay bullish here. While on the downside, I can recommend you to sell here at 3070, but this is slightly riskier as long as 3040 is not taken. Till 3040, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. 3060, 50, and 40 are the three stronger supports here. Below 3040 is where the bears are gonna come back, and then you can look forward to a drop towards 3020 and $30 levels. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do all that. Thank you.